Hi everyone. Now we can see hospital management system. In this we are using MERN stack, MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. It's basically it have three modules. One is admin, another one is doctor, and also users. Now we can go to coding part. I'm using VS Code. If you want, you can choose another IDE also. In this we have two modules. One is backend and another one is frontend. For backend, we are using MongoDB, Express.js, and Node.js. And the front end we have React.js. Now we can see backend. Backend we have controllers, database connection, and middlewares, and models, and routers. And also we have env, separate env. In this we declared the database, secret key, and email and some IP key. In controllers, we have admin only access the these pages, and authentication, and also we have doctor, and also we have patient. Inside DB we have database connection. We imported the Mongos, and port number we have, and connection also we have. In middlewares for authentication, we using JW token, like JSON web token we can call, and also it is authorized by based on role. Now we can see front end. In front end we have SRC. Inside we have three modules. One is admin. In admin we can add a doctor. We can see users or patients requesting the ambulance service, it will work. And also doctor inquiry, and we can generate query also, report, like that it will work. And the doctors, we have profile edit, and profile we can change. And also if users will book appointment, doctor can accept or reject, like that it will work. And users, inside users we have users can book appointment, book ambulance, login, register, like that it will work. Now we can run our application. So now we can start backend npm start for running command backend. So now our server is running, database also connected. Now we can go to front end. Same npm start, it will work. In this, our front end server is running on localhost 3000. So this is our home page of HMS. This home page. This we have images also. And this is a contact page of users. Users can contact. Admin can see this inquiries. This is our about page of our HMS. And this is our doctor pages. In this, admin can add doctor. And this also our service page. So we have inside card. We can see the details also. Now we can see first admin part. So this is our admin dashboard. In this, we have doctor list. If we want, we can add doctor name, doctor email, and the doctor contact number and password. And also fees. Under doctor description, we can add and which is doctor, which specialist. Like that, we can add I, and if you want, we can add image URL. We can copy and we can add. And also we have time mention. If you want, you can choose which time, but I am choosing all times and submit. So now we can see doctor added successfully. So this is a test I added. Timing also is there. And the enquiry. If user contact the any enquiry, admin can see and also contact. In ambulance service, if user will book the ambulance, admin can see the details and give permissions. And also we have chat. If user want to chat with admin, and also we can, it will work like that. It will admin park will work, and also we can change. Now we can go to doctor. So this is the doctor dashboard. In this, admin can see patient details, and also doctor can generate report, and also doctor profile can update. Like that, it will work. Doctor dashboard. Now we can see user part. If no one can any account, we can sign up, but I already signed up, so I can directly go to login. Username and password. It is the user login dashboard. It is homepage. We can in footer we have address and contact numbers. User can book appointment. If we click appointment, we can book disease, any disease, just head pain, like that I can keep. And the date we can choose. So now appointment is created. In this we can see appointments, and also payment, online payment also is there. If or else we can go to visit hospital or doctor, like that it will work. And also user can book ambulance, and contact number, address which, and the city also, like that we can choose. And which type, which is the emergency type, medical emergency or accident, like that we can choose. If book ambulance was booked, admin can see ambulance booking and everything. So this is the profile page of users. In this we can edit our profile. If I give update, it will update. Like this, it will work. Now we can see booked ambulance and appointment. So test, we can see this address I was created before. Emergency type I choose others. So in this we can contact with admin, contact to them. Like this it will work. Thank you.